Find dy by dx if y is equal to x raised to 4 minus 3x square minus 7x plus 4 root x minus 5. So we differentiate with respect to x and we obtain dy by dx is equal to derivative of this entire term on the right hand side, that is derivative of x raised to 4 minus 3x square minus 7x plus 4 root x minus 5. Now here we apply the addition and subtraction rule of derivative. So we take the derivatives of the individual terms. So we obtain derivative of x raised to 4. Now minus 3 is the coefficient, so we keep that aside. So minus 3 times derivative of x square. Here minus 7 is the coefficient, so minus 7 times derivative of x. Again 4 is the coefficient here, so we have plus 4 times derivative of root x, and 5 is a constant, so we have minus derivative of 5, that is the constant function. And now using the rules for differentiation, derivative of x raised to n is n times x raised to n minus 1. So the value for the first term's derivative will be 4 times x cube minus 3 into derivative of x square is 2x minus 7 into derivative of x is 1 plus 4 times derivative of root x is 1 over 2 root x minus derivative of constant term is 0. So the final answer is 4x cube minus now 3 into 2, so that gives us 6x, 7 times 1, so that's minus 7, and here we could reduce this term. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s is 4, and 2 times 1 is 2, so we have plus 2 over root x. So this is the value for dy by dx. Find the derivative of y is equal to sin x into cos x. तो यहाँ पर हम product rule से इनका derivative ढूंढेंगे. So we have differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx. A product rule होता है first term into derivative of the second term plus second term into derivative of the first term, यानी कि sin x into derivative of cos x plus cos x into derivative of sin x. Now further we get sin x into, अब derivative of cos x होता है minus sin x plus cos x into, now derivative of sin x is cos x. अब ये मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो ये आएगा माइनस साइन स्क्वायर x प्लस cos x इंटू cos x, ये हो जाएगा cos स्क्वायर x. अब इसे हम लिख सकते हैं as cos square x minus sin square x. Now we know that cos square theta minus sin square theta, this could be actually written as cos of 2 theta, that is cos of 2x. So remember, cos square theta minus sin square theta is cos 2 theta. In this case it will be cos 2x. Find dy by dx if y is equal to 3x square plus 2 upon x plus 7 minus 4 tan x plus 5 sec x. Now again we'll be applying the addition and subtraction rule for differentiation. So if we differentiate with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x, we have dy by dx is equal to, now we directly take the derivatives of the individual terms. So in the first term, 3 is the coefficient, so we keep it aside. So 3 times derivative of x square plus, here 2 is the coefficient, so we have 2 times derivative of, the function here is 1 by x, plus 7 is a constant, so we have derivative of the constant function, that is 7. Now minus 4 is the coefficient, so minus 4 times derivative of tan x, and again plus 5 is the coefficient, so we have 5 times derivative of sec x. Now using the formula for derivatives, so we have 3 times derivative of x square is 2x, plus 2 times derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, plus derivative of constant term is 0, minus 4 times derivative of tan x is sec square x, plus 5 times derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x. So finally we have 3 into 2x, so that is 6x. This product will give negative 2 upon x square, then this is 0. Next term will be minus 4 sec square x plus 5 times sec x into tan x. So this is the value for dy by dx. Find dy by dx if y is equal to 7 times x raised to 5 minus x raised to 4 plus 4 times x raised to 3 by 2 plus 8 by root x minus 4 times sec x. Again, we'll be applying the addition and subtraction rule for differentiation. So differentiating with respect to x, we have dy by dx is equal to, now we take the derivatives of the individual terms. So the first term will be 7 times derivative of x raised to 5 minus, the second term is derivative of x raised to 4. Now 4 is the coefficient, so plus 4 times derivative of x raised to 3 by 2 plus 8 is the coefficient, so 8 times derivative of 1 over root x minus 4 times derivative of sec x. Now here we apply the formula for x raised to n, so we have 7 times, now derivative of x raised to 5 is 5 times x raised to 4 minus derivative of x raised to 4 is 4x cube plus 4 times, again here the formula for x raised to n, so we have 3 by 2 into x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 plus 8 times, now first we replace root x by, see, root x could be replaced by x raised to half, and if we take the reciprocal, then we obtain x raised to negative half. So we replaced root x by x raised to half and then took its reciprocal, so it changes to x raised to negative half. minus 4 times. Now derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x. So here we have 7 5s, so that's 35x raised to 4 minus 4x cube. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are is 4, and 2 into 3, that becomes 6 into x raised to, here if we equalize the denominator, so it will be 3 minus 2, so that's 1 upon 2 plus 8 times. Now applying the formula for x raised to n, so we have minus half, x raised to minus half minus 1 minus 4 times sec x into tan x. Further, we get 35 into x raised to 4 minus 4 times x cube plus 6 times. Now x raised to half could be written as root x, and here 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are is 8, 4 into minus 1, so that's minus 4 into x raised to, here again we equalize the denominators, 2 1s are 2, so minus 1 minus 2, so that's minus 3 by 2 minus 4 times sec x into tan x. So this is the value for dy by dx.